Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a VPN on desktop for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to use VPN on desktop, there will be two methods that you can try. The first one, you can install a VPN app on your desktop, and the second one, you can use Chrome extension to use a VPN. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use VPN on Google Chrome. So first of all guys, you can open up your Google Chrome application, and then you're going to search Urban VPN Proxy. Okay, and then you can go to this website, Urban VPN Proxy, and you can click on the install button. And since I have already installed this Chrome extension on my Google Chrome, there is no install button. Okay, and after the VPN has been installed on your Google Chrome, you can select this menu. Okay, extension, Chrome extension, and as you can see, we can activate the VPN here. Click on the three dots, and I'm going to, you don't need to click on the three dots, but click on the VPN. Okay, and wait until it's connected, and you can choose the country that you want to apply. I'm going to choose, for example, UK. Okay, and now it's connecting. Okay, now the VPN has been activated on my Google Chrome. And this step, guys, is easier than using VPN on application or use application for VPN. And I recommend you to use VPN on Chrome extension because it's easier and then faster. Okay guys, and that's how we can use VPN on desktop for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.